Long, long ago, in a beautiful jungle filled with tall trees, colorful flowers, and sparkling streams, there lived a young elephant named Ellie. Ellie was not the biggest elephant in the herd, and she was not the strongest either, but she had something very special. Ellie had a listening heart. She listened to the wind whisper through the trees. She listened to the birds singing at sunrise. And most of all, she listened to her friends. Every morning, Ellie woke up early and walked slowly to the river. She loved the quiet mornings when the jungle was still sleepy. She would dip her trunk into the cool water and spray it gently over her back. Ah, Ellie sighed happily. Another beautiful day. As she walked back, she greeted everyone she met. Good morning, monkey. Good morning, zebra. Good morning, little ants. Everyone liked Ellie because she was always kind and never too busy to help. One sunny day, Ellie met Lulu the lion cub, who looked very upset. "What's wrong, Lulu?" Ellie asked softly. "I want to roar like my father," Lulu sniffed, "but my roar sounds more like a squeak." Ellie smiled kindly. "That's okay, Lulu. Big roars come later. For now, your squeak is perfect." Lulu laughed and tried roaring again. Squeak! Both of them giggled. Later, Ellie helped Mila, the monkey, reach bananas that were too high, and Ravi, the rabbit, find his way home when he got lost. By the end of the day, Ellie was tired but happy. "That's the best kind of tired," she said as she lay down under the stars. One morning, something strange happened. Ellie woke up, but the jungle was silent. No birds sang, no insects buzzed, even the wind felt shy. Ellie stood up slowly. "That's odd," she murmured. She walked to the river, but the water barely moved. She went deeper into the jungle, calling out, "Hello?" No answer. Soon, Ellie met her friends gathered together. They looked worried. "The jungle has lost its song," said Old Tortoise. "The trees feel sad," said Mila the monkey. "The river isn't dancing anymore," whispered the birds. Ellie felt her heart thump. "Maybe the jungle needs help," said Ellie gently. "But who can help a whole jungle?" asked Ravi the rabbit. Ellie took a deep breath. "We can, together." Old Tortoise spoke slowly. "Long ago, the jungle sang because of the heart tree deep in the forest. If it stops singing, the jungle grows quiet." "Where is the heart tree?" asked Ellie. "Far away," said Tortoise, "beyond the tall hills and misty paths." Ellie stood tall. "Then I will go." Her friends gasped. "It's dangerous. What if you get lost?" Ellie smiled. "I'll listen. The jungle will guide me." And so Ellie began her journey. Ellie walked over rolling hills where the grass tickled her feet. She crossed muddy paths, helping smaller animals along the way. One night, thick fog surrounded her. "I'm scared," Ellie whispered. Then she remembered something her mother once told her. "When you feel afraid, listen closely." Ellie closed her eyes. She heard her heartbeat. She heard the wind. She heard hope. Slowly, the fog cleared. At last, Ellie reached a clearing where a giant tree stood. Its leaves were dull and its branches drooped. "The heart tree," Ellie whispered. She placed her trunk gently on the tree. "Dear heart tree, the jungle misses your song." The tree sighed. "I am tired. The jungle has forgotten to care for one another." Ellie shook her head. "That's not true. The jungle is full of kindness. I see it every day." She told the tree about Lulu's squeak, Mila's laughter, Ravi's bravery, and how everyone helped one another. As Ellie spoke, the tree began to glow. Slowly, softly, the leaves shimmered. The tree began to sing. The jungle sings again. The song traveled through the hills, over rivers, and into the jungle. Birds chirped, rivers danced, trees swayed happily. Ellie hurried home. When she arrived, her friends cheered. "You did it, Ellie," they cried. Ellie smiled shyly. "We did it. The jungle just needed to remember its kindness." That night, the jungle sang louder than ever. Ellie lay down under the stars, listening. She knew something important. You don't need to be the biggest or loudest to change the world. You just need a kind heart and listening ears. And so, Ellie the elephant slept peacefully, dreaming of songs, stars, and a jungle full of love. The end.